Affidavit of Proof of Service. Some court documents need to be given to the other person in the matter. This lets the other person know what your issue is and gives them a fair opportunity to respond or to resolve the matter outside of court. If a document has not been given to the other party, it can cause delays and increase costs. Common forms that need to be given to the other party include Magistrates Court Form 3, Form 4, and Form 5. The process of giving a form to an opposing party is called service. The way in which you choose to give the form is your method of service. You do not have to serve the forms personally, and in fact the majority of people choose not to. Magistrates Court forms such as the Form 3 Minor Civil Action Claim Form give a range of options for service: registrar, sheriff, plaintiff's solicitor, or party. For a full explanation of these terms, watch our video about the Form 3 using the link in the description. For this video, it is sufficient to say that the most common choice is to have the registrar of the Magistrates Court serve on your behalf. An affidavit of proof of service is a sworn statement by you regarding the manner in which you served a form to the other party. You only need to fill in this affidavit if you personally delivered a form to the other party. As mentioned above, this is not the preferred method. An affidavit is a legally binding statement and therefore must be truthful. As this is a legally binding statement, your signing of it must be witnessed by a person authorized to take affidavits, such as a justice of the peace or a lawyer. There is a justice of the peace in the magistrate's court most days, and this is likely to be the easiest way to have your affidavit witnessed. Fill in your name here and your address here. Your occupation or job goes here. Fill in the date and month and year in which you gave the documents to the other party. Fill in the time you did so here. Clearly and correctly write the name of the other party, the defendant, here. Personal service is handing the documents over in person. Service on the solicitor acting for the person is handing the documents in person to the other party's solicitor. The rest of the options are more complex, and we do not recommend someone without legal or business expertise using them. Nonetheless, if you so choose, you can serve the documents by any of the options listed there. Tick the appropriate one. Here, write the address at which you served the other party. Put the number of trips you made here, and the number of kilometers you traveled here. This is for the purpose of calculating costs incurred by you, which may be paid to you if you win. You then need to sign the affidavit in the presence of a justice of the peace or a lawyer. Your signature goes here, and the witness fills out these parts. Do not sign without the presence of a justice of the peace or lawyer, as it may render your affidavit invalid. Once you have completed and signed your affidavit, and it has been witnessed, submit it to the registrar, who will attach it to the court's filed copy of those documents you served.